Woodpecker took a seed, a oak tree seed, what's it called, acorn, put it in the tree, and now I guess he's getting the meat out of it.
My backyard in San Antonio, Texas.
Never seen that before.
This is one smart woodpecker. This is like February 2013. All rights reserved. What I liked about this video is how smart this woodpecker is to use his environment, the little V slot in the tree, to get his meal. So he dislodges it and replaces it. And then he'll tap it in here. Whoop, that's not right. Here we go. There it is. Taps it back in so he can get the meat on the other side. So the otter using the rock, yeah, that's impressive, but this guy's just as impressive, heck of a lot more persistent, if you ask me. I like old Woody Woodpecker.
Silly woodpecker.